Hi everyone, I'm Viraj and today we are going to discuss how to install a VS Code IDE on a Windows 11. So first what we need to do, we need to open a browser. So I'm going to use a Google Chrome for this. Then I'm going to go to the Google and just type up VS Code. So we can see the first website which is going to be code.visualstudio.com. We can click and we can see that download for Windows. If you are looking for a Windows 8 or a 10, so what you can do, simply scroll it down and you can see this. So the whatever the installation that we are looking for, it is available for Windows 8 as well as 10 and 11. Even you can download for Linux as well as a Mac. So we are going to download for Windows 11. Just click on the link and automatically it is going to get started. So it is a 88.3 MB right now as of today. Then I will just click on this. Accept the license agreement. The location where you want to install this, I will prefer on a C only. Install. Finish. Now we can see that the VS Code is installed and we can select one of the theme. So right now I'm going to keep as it is dark and that's it.